Hey guys, Noise here with another daily recap. It's a really choppy day. As you can see, these are the leading gappers, and I'm down $75 today. I mean, it sounds like $75 is just a small red day, but it hit me pretty hard because I think I only have a couple, like I can even count them like 2 red days this month, and I was having a green streak. So this loss hurts a lot, and I know it's unhealthy to think like this since I mean you're bound to lose. Like there isn't a 100% winning trade, and even the best traders have red days. However, I felt like looking at other bigger traders, especially I see they are all having pretty big red days, but I've been trading pretty well this month, so I thought I found my groove, my tempo, and so this red day hit pretty hard, but I was dwelling over it for the past 10 minutes, and after that I tell myself to stop since dwelling any further wouldn't help. So I beat myself up for that 10 minutes, and then now I tell myself that logically, like, it's okay to lose, as even Michael Jordan will lose some matches, right? So just gotta stick to what works, and it's just one great day, and overall I'm still up for the month. So I think I'm still up 400 plus for the month. So that's the main point. And yeah, I'll just get with today's daily recap. So as you can see, SPY was tanking all the way. So that explains the market. So yeah, NKD was my swing. Was my position is just 74 cent. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this run since yeah, merger rumor. I bought this a couple days back as a swing. So I already realized half. So all these are additional one. If they gonna go up, then yeah. If not, I'm fine with it. So yeah, DBGI was today's leading gapper. However, as you can see, I added here for the pop, thinking since pre-market at that time didn't have much move, so I thought this is the pop and it's gonna dip down. However, it went up. I'm okay with it. Then after all, it's still a green trade. So nice little profit here, just a little quick scalp, like a 5-second trade. And then in the open, as you can see, tank 2, really choppy as you can see all these weeks. Secondly, SNOA, I did not trade this because I did not like the candle and expected it dip down. I mean, part of it is because of SNLA. CEI on the other hand had a really nice open, but it was too choppy to my liking, and I didn't like this kind of price. So like this candle is just I don't know, like 90 cents. So I prefer more movement, so easier for me to in and out. This kind of weeks, and especially if the spread is pretty hard to trade. And yeah, nice open, but as you can see, it came back down. ALF, I did trade this, and I'm on the wrong side. So at the open, I bought here, thinking this could be that pullback and then go. So yeah, so the first pop, let the others run. So when it's coming down and break the V up, I thought like, okay, this is gonna crash. Since if you look at this way, yeah, I'm thinking this could crash badly. So I got out here. For the remaining half, still a green trade. Then at this pullback I added here, but I guess I was too cautious since the market is pretty ugly. Then when it goes below, I quickly got stop out. Then it rips up, and then I chase it again, and basically so they break even. I wanted it to break the PM high into something more, but it basically fake out, like hit it just barely. I don't think you can even sell at this price for the bid and ask. So yeah, I got stop out here. Then it goes, but it's okay. This is a fake out, and it drops even further. So I'm okay with selling here. This is how choppy the day is, and yeah. And the percentage ZIVO was another trade. I took here. This is kind of a chase. I was pretty greedy. Seeing this candle, this suddenly it's like it's trying to run. Then this candle I added here at the VWAP. So basically it did went up here, as you can see. It was around 580, but the bid was only 540. For some reason, all this area the bid is still 540. So yeah, obviously someone is manipulating or is shorting this to oblivion. So still hold on to it, and then when it breaks this trend line, I sold half to be safe and leave the rest to play in the open. However, yeah. Oh no. This I actually added here. I want, yeah, like I said, I was looking at AIM with news at pop. I wanted to add in AIM, so instead of buying AIM, I bought in ZIVO. So in a way, when a stock is below the view up, it's not called averaging down, it's adding on to a loser. So this is very bad trade. That's why in the open, when it fails, I immediately get out my full position. So this is a really bad add. It's a mistake by myself. Wanted to add on AIM, but didn't realize my IBKR is on ZIVO. So that's the downside of using two brokers, as in the charting and the execution with different application. That's one downside. However, yep, pretty bad. And then rest of it is my swings, and as you can see, it's really red, other than NKD. So even NKD took a huge hit, I believe it's because of SPY. So yeah, it dropped $6, and so overall I'm down 70 plus 75, and yeah, it really hurts because I thought, I really had something going on. Like I had a lot of green days, so I had high expectations of myself. I wanted to end this month with all greens and see if I can break my previous green day streak record. So this record breaks, I didn't go and count how many days it is because I didn't want it to cloud my judgment, but I still let it get the better of me. However, I was proud of myself to have self-control when I exited around 10, so 10:02 I think, and I was seeing SPI had this big crash, this big knife. So I was telling myself, okay, like do not let the emotion get the best of me, and do not dig a deeper hole on my red days. SPI is already like this. It's pretty hard for anything to really have a nice move, as you can see. Yep. So overall, it's like 3 steps forward, 1 step back, and then more like a half step back. So I could dig a bigger hole for myself today, but I walk away, and it turns out to be a really good move. And yeah, just gonna end my daily recap here. I'm still feeling pretty down because of a red day, but I need to remind myself that year to date I'm green, month to date I'm very green, so that's what's important. Just focus on the right things, and red days bound to happen. So yeah, hopefully you guys traded way better than me today, or best of all, not trade today. Definitely be a W for that. So yeah, thanks to you guys for watching, and do drop down in the comment, like maybe you can share with me what did you guys trade today or something, and do click on the like and subscribe, as you will really help the channel grow. You will help with the algorithm. So yeah, just gonna end this daily recap here. I'll see you guys tomorrow first thing in the morning, nighttime if you are in my time zone. So yep, signing off. As usual, stay safe, trade safe, peace.